Okay, we bought this in the spring of 2022, and we only used it about a month and a half in our greenhouse, which is enclosed. But now this switch here turns just fine. Usually keep it right about here, halfway. But this one here does not want to turn. It's froze in place. So I'm going to see if I can contact the manufacturer and see if they will help us out on this.
Both of these are on at the same time, and this is almost 3 times as hot as this one here. This thing throws out a lot stronger heat and a stronger fan than this other one. Okay.
Unboxing the electric space heater.